Yo, what is going on, YouTube? I hope you are all having a fantastic day today. I know I am, because I am taking the Ninja 250 to the shop today, and she is getting some loving. We got two brand new NGK Spark Plugs going in. Look at that, so fresh. Who the fuck knows what the original ones look like by now? The bike has like 5,000 miles on it. Yeah, and I ripped the shit out of it, so, you know. Next, we got some Bar End Sliders. Bar End Sliders by MCMotoParts. They got like laser engraving the Ninja logo in there. It's pretty dope. It's on the other side though. Also got a set of frame sliders. Pretty dope. Oh, and also the K&N Oil Filter. Nice and clean. I also have the K&N Air Filter, but that's gonna wait till I get the exhaust for sure. I don't mess up the AF ratio. And then I got a whole entire like list of stuff that I want, like full carb clean, new fluids, you know, just a whole bunch of shit, random stuff. But yeah, thanks for watching. I just wanted to give a quick update. Probably won't have anything to post until I get it back from the shop. So yeah, alright, peace out, guys.